Hey guys, welcome to the first video in a series where we'll be looking at print-on-demand websites as a means of passive income. If you're completely new to this, then passive income is a way of making money continuously with minimal effort. Print-on-demand is a way of creating this passive income, and the website we're looking at today is RedBubble. POD, or print-on-demand, is where you create a design and upload it to a marketplace or a website, then that service takes care of everything else from that point. This means that RedBubble stores all of the stock, they print on all of the stock for you when an order is placed, and then they ship it to the customer. They also take care of returns and keeping the customers happy, so literally all you need to do to make money is upload designs. RedBubble is a really good choice for this because it has a pretty big range of products. You can see in the drop down menus here that they have t-shirts, hoodies, vests, dresses, leggings. They've even got baby clothes, device cases such as phone and tablet cases. They have greetings cards, wall art, home products like mugs, pillows, even duvet covers. They've got stationery, bags, even a range of gift products. What makes them really stand out as a seller for me personally is the simplicity of their upload process. I'll go into more detail on that in the next video, where we'll look at how to make designs and go over the things in the upload process. But another thing about RedBubble is its audience. You won't have to generate your audience or create adverts or anything like that for it. I haven't yet, but that's another thing I want to cover just to see if it's actually worth it, because RedBubble has a huge audience, so your artwork will definitely get seen without any advertising on your part. Let's have a look at how RedBubble works. So RedBubble's pricing system is made up of two things: the base cost of the product, which covers the actual product and printing on top of it, and then the seller's margin, which is what you make. You get to choose what this margin is. You can change it whenever you want. The average margin is about 17%, but this will differ on different products because they're priced differently. For example, on a hoodie, you might want to make 20 to 25% profit, which still keeps the price of the hoodie respectable and it won't drive customers away. But on stickers, you might boost this up to 60% and the cost will still be reasonably low. So these two prices altogether make up the retail price, or what the customer pays for the product. When you're ready, click the red button to get started. You'll be asked for an email, and personally I set up a brand new email for my RedBubble store because they email you every single time you get a sale, and then again for the invoice once the product's made. This can get a bit overwhelming, so I just have one email dedicated to RedBubble. Next, it's going to ask for your username. Now you can set your username to anything you want as long as nobody else has taken it. There's a few crazy usernames on here, but bear in mind that you can't change this once your account's been made. If you decide later on that you want to change your username, you'll have to make a new account and re-upload all of your designs. So keep that in mind if you want to set up a brand or something across different platforms like social media or other print-on-demand sites. Next, create a password and your account will be made. Now that we're in RedBubble, you can scroll down to see some of these designs are literally just text, and this is what I mean when I say anybody can start making an income like this. You don't have to be artistic or have expensive software or things like drawing tablets. All you need is a mouse and a keyboard. Let's have a deeper look into profit margins. As you can see, my profit margins are all set to 25%, except for stickers, which is 60%. On the to-do list for me is to tweak these margins to make the overall cost more appealing. So as you can see, there are prices that look just a bit awkward. I'd like to either round them up or down to make them more appealing for the customer. I'll go into this more in a future video too, once I have something to be able to document. Next, we'll take a look at my earnings summary. So far in the last 6 months I've earned over £500, which isn't amazing when you compare it to an actual wage, but this is an extra income and I could use that to pay some of the bills each month, or I could just let it sit in my PayPal account. RedBubble pays out around the 15th of each month. I usually get paid into PayPal around the 17th of each month, and I just let it sit there and accumulate. I believe you can add bank details if you wish, but I found PayPal much easier to set up, and I like that it doesn't just get lost in my bank account. I can have it there as spare funds to dip into if I need to. The last thing I want to do is show you my top earning design. It's a text design that's earned over £190 with 88 sales, and it's literally just words. You could easily make something like this. So as you can see, I haven't been on RedBubble long. I have tried other print-on-demand sites and nothing really compares overall to RedBubble so far. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create designs for RedBubble and giving you guys a look at the upload process and how it works, so that video should be a bit longer. If I've missed anything and you have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. If there's something you specifically want me to go over in the next video, then please leave that too. Or even if you sell on RedBubble already, you could leave some tips for other people to help each other out. Like where are you at now and how are you going to push that even further? If you want to subscribe to see the next videos as I upload them, then that would be amazing. Thanks guys.